basically, if my hair turns purple, we love her. At the end of the day, hopefully it just tones out the crap that I don't want, which is all this yellow garbage. I'm here for it. Anyway, let's dye our hair. Okay, I'm rinsing it out now. So, I don't really want to see the results. So we'll see them together. Yay! Alright, are you guys ready? Okay. Let's blow dry. Oh no. Hey man, if I were going for a peacock look, I would have nailed it. Just saying. Anyway. Peekaboo. I'm running to my dad's house to get a few things for the baby. Excuse me. I bet it's so loud for you right now with that fan. I have like this little magnet thing. Anyway, my face is so red because it's 100 degrees outside. It is 96 degrees. Undo. I don't like that. Okay, I'll see you at the house when it's safer to talk. Literally so rude. I need that road. I don't even know like another alternative way. We're gonna go on an adventure. I'll try to go this way. Oh my gosh, that road is closed too. Stella's screaming because I'm screaming. Okay, I'm gonna find it. We'll find it. I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. It's pretty. I'm coming. I untied my shoelaces. Crap. It's okay. Baby is safely with Auntie Tata. So here we go, I guess. Baby bump update. Okay. We love gasoline in our car stroller. See, now I need to get over there. So, also I have extreme arachnophobia. Yay! I broke things. But I did it. Yay. So this is like a car seat holder for my double stroller. So it like attaches on and then you can put the car seat on it and it's safe. So we love that. Good to go. Look how convenient. I'm gonna grab it. I hate it. There's a spider web on it. Ew. it. Okay, let's pump up a tire. I really do enjoy the stroller because it is so easy. My phone overheated and stopped working. So I realized right now it is 4:30 and your girl has not eaten one thing today except for I left this open, it's gonna get hot. I've had like some of this water with what are they called? Liquid IV. They're from Costco, and I have been drinking them. Honestly, you guys, secret potion that I never knew to breastfeeding. This is my 4th human to like arrive out of my body, and I have had a really hard time breastfeeding all of them. So this one's actually going pretty well. I'm like actually producing a good amount of milk. I give her 1 2-ounce bottle of formula a day. That's Daddy's little bottle, little special treat with Dad. But if I have pumped any milk, he also feeds that to her. So he's like the bottle man. So he does the bottles, and I'm producing a good over 1 ounce per teton, which is great. I was starting off really low, and then I got this liquid IV. This is what I was talking about to begin with. Like, let's round back to this. I got the liquid IV, and it literally doubled my supply because I was making it a good, like, between both tetons, only like a little under 1 ounce. And then yesterday I pumped, and it was 2 ounces total, and I was like, heck yes. My problem is, here's my problem, I don't eat. So unless my husband's like, hey, have you eaten? Like, please eat something. Anyway, so that's the tea on that. I'm gonna go get a hamburger because that's all I want. It is so funny. I feel like I'm having more cravings right now than I did at the end of my pregnancy, or like throughout pregnancy. I feel like I'm like craving more right now. It's really funny. Anyway, I'm gonna stop vlogging and driving. Let's go get some JCWs. Looks like we made it. Okay, I don't want to get copyright, but yeah. Thank you. Do you have ranch? Thanks so much. I feel like other vloggers, they're like going to Greenleaf, Sweet Sprig, drinking my green juice, and I'm like, hi, can I get a double bacon jalapeno burger and a shake and the largest Coke you've ever seen? Thank you. Walmart pickup grocery haul. Okay, so I picked up groceries. Guys, this is not the vibe that we're going for today. The day went faster than I wanted it to. Anyway, sunscreen for kids because it's summer now. Who hates summer? Am I the only one? Please tell me I'm not alone in hating summer. I have SPF 100 for myself because I'm transparent. Okay, the rest, I think, oh, I got vitamin D drops. Did you know that if you're like mostly exclusively breastfeeding, you should have vitamin D drops for your babies? I did not know that until my pediatrician literally, that's an enormous box for this. That's like really unnecessary. Anyway, my pediatrician told me, I was like, well, you're the first person who's ever told me that, so whatever. Anyway, okay, let's go through my personal stuff. I got Bio Oil Skin Gel. It's dry skin gel because I had the oil, and I'm not like a big, huge oil fan. Oh, that's fun. That was nice to look. Smells the same. put it on my tummy. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like that so much better. Ooh, that has like more emollients and emulsifiers, I feel like. That's amazing. Anyway, to dry skin. Oh, yeah. Use less than you would if applying a cream. Non-comedogenic. Okay, got that. I got retinol. I am gonna try the Olay Regenerist Retinol 24. This box looks a little beady uppy, but do you see this? Do you see those? I wasn't allowed to use retinol for the longest time, so I got a sample size to see if I like it. I can't open it because I just put oil all over my hands. But we're gonna try that out. Okay, for my kit. Oh wait. Oops. Say hi. Oh my god. Anyway, editing.
You're gonna edit, right?
Yeah. So I got a planner with blank days, so I can use it this year, and then the rest of the half for next year because it's the middle of the year already. So it's this cute like floral pattern, and I am so excited. I'm gonna like literally plan out my content, and we're doing new things for the store, so I just needed like a place to write it down. I have Google Calendars and I use that a lot, but that's like shared with me and employees, so that's a really good place to do that. I'll talk about that in another place if we want to talk about the Google Calendars for employees and stuff like that. Anyway, this is personal. Now that I have to have a diaper bag on me, I can carry it around, and I just really like to write things. I feel like it makes it like a little bit more done. Got Aquanet. This is essential for summer brides. Don't at me in the comments. I got some wisps because either like my breath will be like a little crazy, or like I can have them available for brides. So I'm gonna just keep these in my kit from now on. They're little tiny like toothbrushes. If you've never had, they have like a pick on one end and a toothbrush, and then that little ball has like minty freshness. We are doing a curly haired dude, so we got a couple curly hair products to help with his hair. I did order an oil and it didn't come. I think they were out, but I think this Shine and Hold Mist might work, but I'm gonna double check on that. With Aurora, I got my bridal essentials, wispies and demi-wispies. Definitely need that in a bridal bag. I got a couple different kinds of mini rubber bands just to have in the kit. I did want the black ones because those ones are like a little bit more rubbery and they really hold tight, but they only have these. So I was like, okay, I'll try it out. We'll see. I'll probably empty these into a freaking Ziploc bag actually. All right, we have black bobby pins, super needed those. We go through black the most because most people have black hair. I got a really nice sturdy comb and picks. And that is just extensions to my kit. So if you want to be a makeup artist, this is literally kind of what you have to do every now and then. I seriously have to buy new stuff for my kit all the time. I haven't been doing brides for the past 9 months because of baby. There's no baby anymore, but I think that's the first time I've jumped since having the baby. Anyway, there's no baby anymore. I'm gonna put all this away. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna leave it literally right there and go eat a cheeseburger. So, catch you on the flippity flop. I'm not gonna vlog that. This is not a mukbang. If we want a mukbang, maybe one day. Wow, amazing. I have exactly what I need. Okay, let's do this thing. Okay. And
Mom, I need to sit by first. I can eat here.
let's do this thing.
Whoa.
Okay, let's just fast forward because you guys already saw me put the blue in. So now it's all rinse this hair out. Let's see if we still have hair. All right, again, I don't want to like give away anything, but I am super duper gonna use my Duval to get the pink off my forehead. This was 100% necessary. You guys want a video on this? Because this thing is fire. I'll make a video on this. I'm not a hair person, so this is like, don't do anything that I do. Thank you. Thank you for coming. I mean, hello, mermaid dreams. This curled is gonna be so cute. 10 out of 10, love it. Oh my gosh. Wait, it's like so shiny. Oops. Oh, that's just because my roots are coming through. My virgin hair wasn't taking the dye. Anyway, I'm in love. I feel like a mermaid. All right, we are cooking. I am making a Mormon classic. We are making cheesy potatoes, funeral potatoes, if you will. Are you a helper?
Yeah. Whee! Yeah. Fine, I'll spread it. Then we can eat dinner.
All right, those babies are tucked in at 365. Let's go. I'm literally obsessed. I cannot believe how beautiful it is. Part of your world. Don't copyright me. Okay. Anyway, thank you guys for coming along with me. I'm so excited for this new journey. It's gonna be so fun. And I super encourage all of you guys to join me. I think if we got a good group of awesome people together, there's no way we can't beat our goals and all be monetized and grow our audience and grow our channels together. So I am so pumped for this 100-day to 100K challenge. I will be starting that Clubhouse group. I probably will start a Facebook page. There will be hashtags, so follow everything and let's grow together. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.